Can we all observe 1 minute silence in honor of late High Chief Raymond Dokpesi? May the soul of High Chief Raymond Dokpesi continue to rest in the bosom of the Lord.
Amen.
We will not be doing the memory of Chief Dokpesi the honor he deserves by just talking about him in relation to politics. He was beyond politics. He was a true nationalist. He was an entrepreneur par excellence. He was a very, very successful person, and he was a pathfinder for his generation. As a human being, he was a humanist who took interests in people. He fought for the less privileged, and he believed in those core values, core human values of justice, fairness, hard work, and progress. He was a pioneer, as you recall, in many, many areas of life. And in fact, in every endeavor he participated in, he made a resounding success of it.
What would you want the people of Agenebode to do this time of election?
I'm not here for a politics chief. He's not here anymore. I think we're here to pay him the respect he duly deserves. I was not fortunate to be here during the unveiling of this mausoleum when it was unveiled to mark the first year of his passing. This is my first time of coming to Agenebode since he passed, and I felt that the right thing to do is to come here and honor him and thank him immensely for his contributions. 4 years ago, when I came to Agenebode to contest, he took me around. He led the campaign here. He contributed immensely. He made AIT a platform available for us to go round the state and tell our story to Nigeria. I miss him. I want to thank him. That's what I've come here to do.